Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming at you at 4:30 Tuesday afternoon. That's Central Time on October 22nd, 2024. I had a good day of trading. It was kind of a crazy day. This price action this week has been really strange. Some really big moves, and you don't want to get yourself caught off on the wrong side of them. But I mean, these moves have been crazy. So. I'm going to go over the results of the ESChannels system. That's mainly what I traded today, and I made 4 trades. I'll show you the trades on the chart in a second. Had 4 total trades with a total profit of $117.50. 0 losing trades. Remember, the goal that I have for this system is $100 to $150 average per day. So we're at the low end of the average, but I'm not going to be upset based on the fact of the matter that the market has been very hard to read. If you look at this is an interesting statistic here. Longest time in winning trade, 1 hour and 4 minutes. And the average time in the trade, 50 minutes. Crazy. So let me get that off my chart here and let me show you the actual entries I made today. So this is the 5-minute chart of the ES with the entries on it and the ES system. The ES channel system are these horizontal blue, green, yellow, and red lines you see on the chart here. And the way the system works is the blue line is our base price line. That's where price likes to revert to. These green, yellow, and red are deviation lines. And what we do is when price hits the green line, we either buy or sell, depending if we're above or below the market. We put our take profit on the blue line and our stop loss down on the red line. And so this morning I got into a trade. You can see here, well, what is this? Okay, here. I was going to say, I knew I had a trade before this. So I got into my first trade at 6 a.m. I'm on Central Daylight Time. You can see here where price got down below and hit this first green line. And so I entered into a contract here, and price slowly moved up and got almost to the line, and there was some news coming out, and so I decided to close my trade at that point. That was the first trade. Then after the news came out, price did retreat back down, and I got into a trade right here. You'll see the blue line. I bought a contract. Price went up, came back down, and was going up, and it was getting very close to market open, and I did not have a strong read on which way the market turned out. I would have made more money, but I got out. It was halfway up to the blue line, so I got out about halfway up. So 2 winning trades, not for full profit, but decent enough profit. Then late in the day, we saw this area of consolidation during the middle of the day, and then all of a sudden we had a big run up in the afternoon. I don't know if there was a Fed speaking or what it was, but the equities just rallied. And so we hit this first green line and price kept going up, and we were halfway between the first and second green line channel, and I got in on a short, hoping that the market would reverse shortly. And instead it kept going, and we were actually between the second green line and the yellow line, and I entered another trade to try and get an average cost down. And shortly after I entered into that trade, the market did reverse pretty rapidly. And so it came down, had a big down candle, came through, and it was about halfway down this channel here. And I had an appointment at 2 o'clock, and that's right when this was finally going. I ended up getting out one contract here and another contract here, went to my appointment, and look what happened when I came back. I actually bottom ticked this the market then reversed back up. And so I got out right at the right time. So not a killer day, but a decent $100 a day. You can't complain if you can do that consistently. So those were my trades for today. No news tomorrow, Thursday, but I still see some kind of heavy price action in both directions tomorrow, even though there's no news. There's a lot of people positioning themselves prior to this election, and the election is a big unknown to everyone. And so people are really scrambling, trying to position themselves. So we're seeing the results of that in a lot of different price movement. You can see here the ES, which is normally more calm. You can see here some pretty big moves. So take care. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Coach Chris out.